What if I told you I could save you $250,000 over 7 years? You know, that's the cost of being in an assisted living facility for 7 years. Whereas you could make some safety modifications in your home or your loved one's home for the cost of about 1 year in assisted living. Hi, I'm Dawn Steimer, general contractor and owner of Master Remodelers, as well as talk show host for Around the House on News Talk 98.7 every Saturday from 7 to 9 a.m. When we remodel your mom's bathroom, it will not look like a gas station. It'll have a spa look with zero threshold showers, raised vanities and commodes, and assist bars that don't look like assist bars. Most people think they're towel racks. So what price would you pay for your mom's peace of mind? Call 458-0416 or click remodelingknoxville.com for your professional consultation.